For today's video, our case 2 now is the denominator has repeated linear factors. Since the degree of numerator is less compared to the denominator, we will no longer use long division method. So now let's decompose the equation into partial fraction. Factor out the denominator. So that's the integral of x times x plus 2 raised to 2 x plus 3 is equal to a over x plus an unknown variable, let's write b, x plus 2 square plus c over x plus 2. Now, let's multiply this by the LCD. So, let's multiply this by x times x plus 2 square. So, now, let's multiply. So, now, let's cancel out this ones. And we'll get x plus 3 is equal to a times x plus 2 square plus b x plus c times x plus 2. Okay, now let's assign a variable to value of x to cancel out a variable. So let x be equal to 0. So our equation earlier was x plus 3 equals a times x plus 2 square plus bx plus c x times x plus 2. Substitute. So 0 plus 3 equals a times 0 plus 2 square plus b times 0 plus c times 0 plus 2. Okay, so we'll get 3 at 2 square is 4, so that's a times 4. We'll cancel this one out. And since 0 plus 2 is 2, but 0 times 2 is 0, so we'll also cancel this one out. So, let's divide this by 4. So now, our value for a is equal to 3 over 4. Now, let's find the value of b. Let x be equal to negative 2. So that's x plus 3 equals a times x plus 2 square plus bx plus c times x plus 2. Okay. Next, substitution. So we have negative 2 plus 3 equals a times negative 2 plus 2 square plus b negative 2 plus c times negative 2 times negative 2 plus 2. So we have 1 is equal to negative 2 plus 2 is 0, so a times 0 is cancelled out. So we have b times negative 2, and since negative 2 plus 2 is 0, 0 times negative 2 is 0 equals c equals times 0, so that's cancelled out. So we have 1 equals to b times negative 2 divided by negative 2. So we have negative 1/2 as the value of b. Now let's find the value of c. To get that, we'll plug in the value of a and b and let x be equivalent to 1. So that's x plus 3 equals to a times x plus 2 square plus bx plus c times x plus 2. Okay. Value of x is 1, so that's 1 plus 3 equals the value of a is 3/4 times value of x is 1 plus 2 square plus the value of b is negative 1/2 times the value of x, which is 1, so plus value of c, so this is c, x is equal to 1 times 1 plus 2, and we'll get 4 equals 2. Multiply all this and we'll get 27 over 4 minus, also 1/2 plus c times 3. We'll transpose 27 over 4 minus 1/2 over to the left. So that's 4 minus 27 over 4 plus 1/2 equals to c times 3. And we'll get negative 9/4. Negative 9/4 equals c times 3. So divided by 3. And our equivalent will be negative 3/4 equals to c. So now, let's proceed to substitution. So that's x minus 3 over x times x plus 2 is equal to value of a is 3/4 over x plus the value of b is negative 1/2 over x plus 2 square plus the value of c is negative 3/4 over x plus 2. So now let's integral this equation. So that's the integral of x minus 3 over x times x plus 2 is equal to the integral of 3/4 x plus 1/2 over x plus 2 square plus negative 3/4, so that's negative 1, I'm sorry, negative 3/4 over x plus 2 dx. So let's find the integral of this equation. So we have equals to 3/4 integral of dx over x minus 1/2 integral of x plus 2 raised to negative 2 dx plus negative 3/4 integral of, sorry about that, integral of dx plus 2 dx over x plus 2. So now, already solved this as equal to 3/4 ln of x. So now to solve this one, we have negative 1/2 integral of x plus 2 negative over raised to negative 2. So let u be equal to x plus 2. So we'll get, and du, that's the x, sorry, du will be equals to dx. Use power formula as well. So we have negative 1/2 integral of u raised to negative 2 du. So we don't actually need this, sorry. Okay, so let's use the power formula, and we'll get equals to negative 1/2 times u raised to negative 1 over negative 1 equals to 1/2 times 1 over u. So we'll get 1/2 times 1 over x plus 2, or we could get 1 over 2 times x plus 2. So now let's find the integral for this equation. Okay, sorry about this. Okay, negative 3/4 over, integral of dx over x plus 2. So we'll get, let u be equals to x plus 2 and du equals to dx. So that's negative 3/4 integral of du over u. We get negative 3/4 ln of u. Let's write the value of u. So we have negative 3/4 ln of x plus 2. Now let's combine this all and find the final answer. Hold on. So our final answer will be 3/4 ln of x minus 3/4 ln of x plus 2. And then the last one is plus 1 over 2 times x plus 2 plus c. That is all. Thank you.